One of the number one questions that people have is, how much does CoolSculpting cost? And once they understand how it's priced, they want to know, how do you actually read that pricing sheet? So my goal today is to give you all of the tools and resources that you need to understand this pricing sheet and how to get your hands on it. If you don't have this in front of you, where I want you to go is over to elementbodylab.com/cost. So COST, like how much does it cost? We'll make sure that there is a link wherever it is that you're watching this video. Just check the description. That way it's really easy for you to follow along while this is in my hands here. So you need to know a vocab term in order to understand the price of CoolSculpting. CoolSculpting is priced by what is called a cycle. And a cycle is an industry term referring to every time a hand piece goes on the body. So you'll see I've got different sizes and shapes. These are little templates that correspond with the equipment that can fit on the body. And the great thing about CoolSculpting is that everything is customized. It's custom tailored to meet your anatomy and your goals. So how many cycles you need, or how many of these circles you can expect on your body, really does depend upon your anatomy and your goals. And until you know how many cycles you need, it's impossible to know how much your CoolSculpting session will cost. But assuming you do know how many cycles you need, you can see our pricing sheet looks like this. We charge by what is called the cycle. So if you know how many cycles you need, you can then just follow the little graph over and see how much your package will cost. So how many cycles you need dictates how much the package will cost. We made this pricing sheet to where it's super simple and you can get your hands on it. Whenever you see the one that we send you, it has a few additional columns, but there's some like how-to information down at the bottom of this to make it really easy to understand. Really what you're looking at here is the most simple version of it, which is just the very first two columns on the one that we will email to you. All you got to do is head over to elementbodylab.com/cost, COST. Again, there is a link wherever it is that you're watching this. Keep in mind that each practice has a different cost per cycle, or each practice has a different pricing model. So this is our pricing at Element Body Lab, the Dallas CoolSculpting Experts. We're located in Dallas, Texas. And if you want to know our direct advice on how many cycles you'll need, how to get the results you're looking for, if CoolSculpting is the right decision for you, then we would love to be a guide to you. We would love to be a resource. We offer all online booking, so you can schedule this yourself. All you have to do is go to our website, elementbodylab.com. There is a button in the menu bar that says book a virtual consultation. We do virtual consultations as the very first stop. So it's a video call, much like this. I'll explain how CoolSculpting works, the risks and side effects, what to expect on treatment day, all of the ins and outs, and answer any questions that you do have around the CoolSculpting process. We will walk through the pricing sheet and talk about how many cycles it will take, and in turn, how much time to expect to spend with us, whether that's one treatment day in an hour or 3 treatment days that are 4 hours each. And you'll have everything that you need to make a decision as to whether or not CoolSculpting is the best decision for you. Again, elementbodylab.com for all of the information that I just talked about. Online booking is within the menu bar. And then type in /cost, COST, like how much does it cost if you want to get your hands on the pricing sheet. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you very soon.